So the LG V60 is probably LG's pride and joy, and it will not die and it will not go away. Well, LG is sending more updates and support for their devices. Well, I got the T-Mobile LG V60 and I just received another update. Man, I love this phone. So let's talk about it. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Doug back with another video. So I never had a device that gets better with age. Man, it looks like every month I'm getting an update on my LG V60, even though we're supposed to be on quarterly updates, but it just feels like every month I'm getting an update. Well, I received a 91 megabyte update on my LG V60, my T-Mobile variant that brings the security patches up to date and some bug fixes. But why does this make it so relevant, right? I mean, LG Mobile is closed, even though they promised to support their devices up to Android 13. And most people believe that it's over for LG. It's time to move on. It's not over. It's just not the case. You get support after support, update after update. That's been mind-blowing for me. Look, the LG V60 went from a great device in 2020 to even a better device in 2023 with a plethora of support and updates that's making this device just absolutely marvelous. I've never seen a device that get better with age like the LG V60. This device have gotten better with age. Think about this. Over the years, this device have seen faster performance, better battery life, better camera processing, smoother animations, and more. Wow, over the years, that's what I've seen with the LG V60. Think about this. You could get the LG V60 as low as $198 and still getting update after update, full security patches, and full support. But I mean, think about that, right? Under $200, you're getting performance enhancements plus best-in-class cameras. And you know what? Nothing can beat the quad DAC on the LG V60. Nothing. Not even devices in 2023, which 90% of them don't even have headphone jacks. Also think about this. The LG V60 has great features such as desktop mode, wireless desktop mode, dual screen display mode, pen support with pen software, battery life that can hang with devices like the Galaxy S23 Ultra, 8K recording in manual mode. Are you kidding me? 8K recording in manual mode for a device that costs under $200. Why wouldn't I recommend the LG V60? Why wouldn't I recommend it? I would absolutely recommend this device. Yes, even in 2023. It's still one of my daily drivers, by the way. Yes, the LG V60 stays in my pocket all the time. So what's new with this update? Right? Look, I just updated this device about an hour ago. Look, all I'm seeing is, faster animations and stuff like that. It look like we got some bug fixes. We got the June security patch and stuff like that. You got to remember, this device is supposed to be on quarterly updates, but I'm seeing more like monthly updates on my LG V60, not quarterly updates. Look, I will keep you posted on what I find using my LG V60. And I want to give a public service announcement about a few things here before I end this video, right? The bamboo pen here that I have that works on the LG V60, the LG Velvet. On my website, I got a full link for this pen and it works great. Even if you press the button, you get the whole suite of software for your LG V60 and your LG Velvet. Yes, it has two buttons here, two programmable buttons here on the bamboo pen. It works like butter. So I really do like that, right? So that is on the website if you want to find out more about this bamboo pen. Also, I want to give a public service announcement about people that's on AT&T. I get this question in my comments a lot. They're asking me why the devices is still on Android 10 or still on Android 11 or Android 12. If you have AT&T, right, you have to have an active service, active SIM in the device in order to get updates. Unfortunately, AT&T will not support any devices that doesn't have active service. So if you don't have active service on AT&T, you can forget about updates. Now, if you're on T-Mobile or Verizon Wireless, especially if you're on T-Mobile, active SIM card, not even active service, T-Mobile will send out updates for your T-Mobile devices. That's a good thing. Now, if you're on Verizon Wireless, they're a little spotty, but they will update your devices even without service. So just keep that in mind. If you're on AT&T, you must have active service with that company in order to receive updates. That's AT&T policy, and that's unfortunate. If you are overseas, international people that watch this YouTube channel, I don't know when you will get your updates. I can only speak for the United States. I can only speak for T-Mobile, Verizon Wireless, and AT&T in the United States. I don't know when you will get your updates. Hopefully you will get it soon. When I know more, I will share more. Soon as I get all the information about LG devices, y'all guys know I'll be the first to report it to you guys. Also, take advantage of all the feature set that you have on your LG V60. Utilize the dual display for what it can do. Have a website here on the top display and have the full keyboard on the bottom display. Look, man, it's a lot of things that you could do on your LG V60. You could play games, you could do all kinds of things. I have a plethora of videos on my YouTube channel showing off everything that you could do on your LG devices. So make sure you subscribe and check out the playlist that I have on this YouTube channel about LG products and services. This is the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG V60 and new updates and new support in 2023. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh, man. All right, it's time to go. See you guys on the next video. Peace.